It's always a deal when I unbox that wheel. So behind I got me something for the truck, guys. So come on out and check it out. So beside me, I got the Vossen HF6-3. This is part of Vossen's Hyrbid Forged line that is specifically tailored for all 6-bolt vehicles, so ranging anything from a 1500 pickup truck all the way out to a Cadillac Escalade and so on and so forth. So if you have a 6-lug vehicle, this is something you should definitely check out. These wheels are flow form, they're part of the hybrid series, and they're super light for what they are. So taking a look over at this one, we had this wheel specifically done in a matte bronze, and if you take a look, it also comes with the billet center cap. These wheels are a 24x10 with a 2-inch concave, tailored to fit a Cadillac Escalade, but they'll fit any other vehicle that comes in a 6-lug bolt pattern. So if you're looking to, upgrade the wheels on any of your pickup trucks or your SUVs, give us a shout. And right beside it, we've also got a Vossen HF6-4. You can check that out. We'll add in a couple of snippets and you might catch it on the next Unbox That Wheel.